Good morning. I am Brigadier Vinod Datta, CEO, the Carrier Navigators. I want to tell you that leadership is one aspect which is as deficient in the country as the other things are. And let me tell you, those who think that leaders are born, I think I will request them to have a rethink that the leaders are created, leaders are made, leaders are molded, leaders are shaped. And if leaders were to be born, India adds 2 crore people every year to its population. We would have been flooding with the leaders. Unfortunately, it has not happened so. Leadership is the ability to develop a vision that motivates to move with passion towards goal. Leader is a guiding star to others with a radiant promise. Christ is his best teacher, as Munshi Premchand had said. And let me tell you, Army has taught me all the nuances of leadership in all kind of situations. And today's corporates, today's academic leaders, today's political leaders, today's business leaders, they owe a great value, a great gratitude to the army or the people in uniform, which has given the best practices as far as the management and the leadership skills are concerned. You see, in exams we always have a syllabus, and sometimes once we have syllabus, we still fail. And let me tell you, life has no syllabus. So it is an open-ended challenge which you have and which you have to face. Leadership is a vast subject. In schools, when we have learnt the basic qualities, in colleges, we are supposed to refine them, and we are supposed to be practicing it once we get into the professional life. A leader prior to success thinks about growing yourself. But when you become a leader's success is all about growing others, producing more leaders. Leadership at one time meant muscle power, but today it means getting along with people. It is unlocking people's potential to become better. You don't hold a position to be a leader. You can be a catalyst. I have already told you that the leaders are shaped. And I recall Field Marshal Manekshaw, who had said, give me any man or woman with average intelligence and who's not an idiot. I will make a tremendous leader out of him or her. That is the bedrock of leadership. Leader has to map the strength and opportunities, uncover the blind spots and the inner paradox craft, which will give the brand of a leader. What we need is organic leaders, not toxic leaders. What we need is leaders with character and not with charisma. What we need is leaders should address the behavioral aspect. He should be a motivator, he should be a fighter, and a great fervor of empathy should be there. Leaders should have intensity to do things consistently with common values, which will build self-confidence. And boys and girls, let me tell you, having coached thousands of people, having interviewed thousands of people, having mentored thousands of people, and have shaped them to become good leaders, whether they are corporate leaders, they are business leaders, they are academic leaders, I can say with a lot of pride that these skills are learnable. And let me tell you, we in the Career Navigators, we steer you to success. We shape you to the leadership goals. We tell you how to address the leadership nuances and to be a successful leader in whatever field you excel. So, whenever you have time, do log in, do contact. My coordinates are there. It will be my endeavor to shape you, to steer you to success, because you are the destiny designers of this nation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.